What's up guys, I hope you're doing great. It's your guy CryptoWolf here, and today I'm making this video update for you about Ethereum. And I think since we are moving slightly into February, I think that we have bullish times ahead. So let's dive into the video of today, guys. Before I'm going to continue, I always need to remind you that I make those videos for entertainment purposes only. This is not any advice I'm giving you that you should jump on. You should always do your own research. Also, if you're investing into real life, into the crypto market, into stocks, or also in real life businesses, you need to really always do your own research. So let's dive into it, guys. Look. Guys, look, I have here the CoinMarketCap website open. Let's take a look on the general market. We can see that Bitcoin is just doing the same as yesterday. It's actually keeping its floor on 104,000, 105,000 market cap. We have Ethereum actually moving for the last hour. And on the day, it's actually up 4%. It's actually up more than most of the projects out there. Chainlink also doing pretty good, 5 and 6% for XLM up on the day. But for the rest, the whole market is stable, waiting for something to happen, waiting for a fresh new month, a new trading month. As been seen already in my previous video, I showed you the charts that we are actually going to have bullish months in front of us. But of course, that's all speculation. We never know really what's going to happen. So that's why we do those videos, to give you a wider aspect and opinion about the market and to show you what's going on, so you can do your own predictions, or you can see what you can do with this, right? It's very interesting market. So what I also wanted to show you today is actually this, guys. You see here the total crypto market. The total crypto market is today valued on a 3.58 trillion. So imagine that this chart, it's looking actually almost the same as Bitcoin, of course, since Bitcoin is moving similar. So what would happen now if we would also see this going to a 10 trillion from this standpoint? It will go eventually, because I think gold is on a 20 trillion market cap. So imagine that only Bitcoin would go to this market cap. That's insane. So everything will move aside with this. So thinking that we can see with this market cap, total crypto market cap, we could eventually see Ethereum already moving. We just need to have, again, the whales buying into Ethereum. We don't need to have a higher market cap in the overall market. But of course, if this is also going to grow, then of course you will see a lot of those blockchains going and doing a 3-4x from this point. So really bullish times that we are living in, as institutional money is floating into the market, guys. Let me take just one sip of my coffee, guys. Wonderful in the beginning of the day, of course. So also, if we are looking to the crypto fear index, I think it's also important to see that we are still in the same position as we was since my last video, and we are still in a neutral phase. So we have people taking profits, of course, but we also have new people entering the market. And I think that retail is entering the market at this point, step by step, of course, with the news, Trump, crypto bullish new president there. So we have, of course, people having more confidence, people like you and me, to buy those projects. Since we already had an institutional push, I still believe that we're going to see it, but we will see it along the way. It will take many years for it to really come and flow into the whole crypto market. So it's really bullish what we are looking at. So looking to the Ethereum chart, as of we speaking, since I'm making this video, the chart of Ethereum is actually taking off. So you can see that since 27th of January, just a few days ago, we were actually on this dip. We reached the bottom, we made a higher low, again a higher low here, and now we are moving up. And there is a lot of speculation with Ethereum going to break out of this and going again, searching those higher floor again, going again to the 4,000 level, which we all of course want. We wanted actually to break out of this position here, and since this is moving live as I'm recording this video, let's just do a quick draft of what's happening. We are still not breaking out of this retracement that we actually want, so it can just happen actually any moment. Since while we are speaking here, you can see that we are already for a very long time in this retracement here, so it can just happen any moment for Ethereum to break out of this, and it's looking really strong at this moment. We are actually making here a really big green candle, and we are breaking out of this, ladies and gentlemen, as we are speaking here. So yeah, we could see some upside momentum. I will dive into this in the video more today. So right now, because I was actually collecting some articles that I wanted to show you to make you really bullish. Of course, we still have also the Bitcoin dominance chart. So we see actually that Ethereum took a distance of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is of course the leader and the champ in this whole bull market right now. But Ethereum could just have a turnaround any moment and see again higher levels that we want. So also this chart right here, I wanted to really show this to you as well. So the open interest chart, I always come back to you with this chart because it's really important. This makes me so bullish about Ethereum, because you can see that the yellow line is reflecting the price of ETH and the green line is the open interest, and the open interest never came across the yellow line, what is reflecting the price of ETH. It only did this in the beginning when the interest in ETH was really high and the price was actually lower than the open interest, and when this reversed, it never came any more down again. So it's something similar that is happening here, and I think it's just a matter of time and the price will actually move up this open interest, and you can see that the price tag for Ethereum would be around 4,500 to be again above those open interest lines. So this could just happen any moment soon. Also, we have here a lot of experts and analysts that predicting, of course, Ethereum to surge, because Trump also was buying a lot of Ethereum in the recent days. And of course, that's really bullish as well for people, since of course everybody is following what those big influencers are doing, and they have a lot of money to move the market. So of course, there are also there are also a lot of analysts that already made a lot of nice drafts here on charts to show why the expansion could happen right now, since it's actually happening as we are speaking, recording this video. But of course, we need to break out this zone, the one that I just showed you. We actually just touched this, so that's really cool. We actually touched this level. We are now above this level. So if this is true what the guys are saying, then we should actually see the 4,000 mark again to then of course go higher levels. What is also really bullish news from today is that the Ethereum Foundation votes ends with 99% approval for Danny Ryan leadership. So there is a new leadership in the Ethereum Foundation, which of course brings some new light in this foundation, since it is also needed. There are a lot of things needed to update this network, and this is of course also bullish news for all the investors, because that means that there will become of course some new insights in this project, which a lot of people are waiting for. We also got news today from the crypto exchange Kraken that launches new staking business for Ethereum and Solana. So you know that the SEC fined Kraken 30 million back in 2023 and forced it almost to shut down and for the staking of the US customers. So now it's launching it back again, which of course is also really good. Kraken has a lot of users, and it's of course really healthy if a lot of Ethereum would be of course staked there. As well, we also see that the SEC approves Bitwise to do Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. And if you don't know who Bitwise is one of the biggest crypto funds backed by crypto specialists in the world, and they are actually helping financial institutions and private institutions to trade with cryptocurrencies. So this is all really bullish indicators for what's going to happen, guys. And I cannot wait to see what's going to happen tomorrow and after tomorrow, since we are moving into the new month, February, and February and March are going to be incredibly bullish. Also keep an eye on the altcoins, on some meme coins, since I almost forgot about Cloud. It's a project that I'm following, and look, it's actually moving on the price movement that Ethereum is doing. So it's on a very low market cap. Do your own research. I will make a new video about clouds after I finish this video, and I will tell you more about why I'm so bullish about this project, because it went from 52 million market cap, it went to a 3 million market cap, 3.5 million market cap. But of course everybody wants to buy the tops, but we want to buy the bottoms. And I think if we go back to the 30 million market cap, which is a likely chance to do that, then of course that's already a 10x from here. So if you want to know more about the project, please follow my channel. Please like if you like this video, make a comment if you have any questions, and I hope to see you in the next one.